Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you mark all email as read on iPhone. So to do that you can just go to your Gmail app. So go to your Gmail app and all you need to do is just select all the emails. So for that long press on an email like this, and after that here you can see in the top left side there is option which is select all. Click on it. Now here you can see I have selected all the emails. Now all you need to do is just click the top second right this message icon. Just click on it like this and all of your message is marked as read. And that's how you can mark all emails on iPhone as read. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.